Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with slightly damp or dry hair. That extra texture helps the clip hold. Take a small section at the crown and lift. Place the clip under the root, teeth pointing up. This secures short layers. Once done, release a few face framing pieces to soften the look. Make sure to use light texturizer if hair is silky. This creates friction and prevents slipping. You're creating a stable anchor before moving to shaping and balancing the rest of the style. Now you shape the style by working side to side. This keeps balance and a natural silhouette. Take 1/2 to 1 inch sections, twist or fold them inward and snap the clip in at the root. This locks short pieces without flattening. Once done, stagger clips along the crown to build lift. Alternating heights prevents a heavy look. Make sure to check in the mirror from different angles and adjust tension so clips hold but don't pull on the scalp. To finish, release remaining sections and blend by pressing clips down into the style, then smooth with light hairspray or a fingertip of pomade. If clips slip, make sure you've created a root anchor. Twist a small base strand before clipping or swap to a smaller clip for better grip. Once done, do a 30-60 second mirror check, move your head. If any piece pops out, re-anchor rather than adding more product. This keeps the look secure and natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.